In this video, I'm going to talk about input and output. So far, we have learned how to output or print something. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually take input from the user and output also. So let's do this. Here, I'm going to create a new file. I'll say input output .cpp hash include iOS stream using namespace std int main return 0. All right, now here I'm going to make a comment. I will say user input at first. So we can actually use here a prompt. Let's say I want to use prompt that enter any number. I'll say any number. We can actually give here \n for the new line. We can actually go for the input. So I will say user. We have to say here cin, but here actually you cannot use this sign. When you use cin, you have to use these angulars. I mean, it's greater than, right? It's greater than sign twice. Okay. Then you have to say the variable. Okay, let's say x. So we haven't actually initialized the variable x, right? So we have to initialize the variable at first. So here, let's say I want to say int x. So we have to give here integer value. Let's say someone give us 10.2. Then it shouldn't actually show 10.2, right? So we can actually convert them. So we'll learn typecasting also, but not in this video. Here you can see we can actually get input, and we can actually now show output. So I will say cout and the value x. We can actually show here another text, and that is you have entered the value, right? So I can actually use here \t for the tab, for the space, and here let's say this sign. If I run the code, enter any number, so we actually type here 25. If I enter, and here you can see you have entered 25. So this is actually, you can take input from the user and show it like this. Remember, when you want to show something, you have to use smaller than sign twice, and for cin you have to use greater than sign twice. So these two signs are different, right, from each other. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.